500 combat missions supporting joint operations overseas. As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performances inspire you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today, either flying in the cockpit of a Viper or on the ground, guaranteeing its readiness to fight.
Great job. And that picture we saw of the landing on the Jumbotron was actually from the control tower here at Oshkosh. So they had a supremely long lens. Well, as they get ready to land, Steve Buss has some information regarding how we're reshuffling this evening since last night's show was canceled. We're going to have a night show tonight, but we got to make sure some other things get taken care of on the schedule. So what do we have?
All right, well, as you know, the Theater of the Woods program normally scheduled for 8 o'clock tonight, so we're going to move up to 6 o'clock. So as soon as well, right about now, they're getting underway with the Rotorcraft Awards at Theater of the Woods. So if you'd like to take that in, along with Chris and Dave Hadfield, the NASA astronaut Chris Hadfield, they're going to be talking about their experiences in aviation as well on the stage. They're going to try to be wrapped up by 8 o'clock so folks can get back to the night air show. And then also at the Thursday night fly-in theater, they're pushing back the time to start the movie till 9:30, so you got a chance to see some of the air show, and before you can see the 1956 classic starring William Higgins called Toward the Unknown.
Another is the Thunderbolt. The P-47 Thunderbolt by Republic was then renamed, and Fairchild Republic gave it the name the A-10 Thunderbolt II. The P-38 Lightning, the aircraft in which America's top two aces in World War II scored their victories. Lieutenant Richard Bong with 40 aerial victories, Captain Tommy McGuire with 38 aerial victories in the P-38 Lightning. Now we have the F-35 Lightning II. This Air Force version and the Navy version have conventional, if you will, but still vectored thrust capabilities. The Marine Corps version, the F-35B, has an entire lift fan system in it to allow it to do short and vertical takeoff and landing, not unlike the AV-8B Harrier, which it will be replacing. And in addition to the Lightning and the Thunderbolt, we'll also have an airplane that will be coming out in just a few minutes because our show is not yet over. And that will be the C-17 Globemaster III. Before we get to that, as we see these airplanes land, I want to welcome my friend Stephanie Strickland up on the stage right now, who is working with the social media gang here at EAA AirVenture. And you're kind of an expert in this with all your experience at KTW in Portland, Oregon for so many years as an anchor. And tell us what you're doing with all the social media, with Facebook and all of those things.
It actually reminds me that I listened to F-35 land and trying to understand that Lockheed Martin together, where we really had an opportunity to see how that aircraft was put together at the same time.